If you've been around my channel for a while, you know that I talk about building a mailing list. It's critically important for your success as an affiliate marketer. However, one of the most asked questions is this question that you see on the screen. The important thing is how to get the email list. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process that you need to take in order to start building a mailing list so that you can make more money with affiliate marketing. Watch this entire video so that you learn exactly what you need to do to build a successful mailing list. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com, and I create content to help you make money online with affiliate marketing. In this video, we're going to talk about the best way to get a mailing list, how to do it step by step, everything that you need to know. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Now, what you need to do is you obviously need to pick a niche. That's the first step with affiliate marketing. Now, what I recommend that you do is you figure out a underlying problem that someone has. For example, someone might buy this microphone not because they like the microphone. They buy this microphone because they want to be a professional YouTuber. They want to get more views. They want to get more subscribers so that they can make money. So understand that this microphone isn't just a microphone. It's a way for them to get where they want to go, which is to be a professional YouTuber. And so what we can do is we can create content based on their need to become a YouTuber. And we can also build a landing page and a lead magnet so that we can help them become a YouTuber. That is going to be the key to getting emails, to generating a mailing list. So the first thing that we want to do after we pick our niche is we are simply going to come up with a lead magnet. Now, if we are targeting people that want to be professional YouTubers, what we can do is we can speak to that problem. And so we can actually do a few things. And I'm going to write this down on a whiteboard so that you can actually take notes and get an understanding of what you need to do. So I'm over here on my online whiteboard, and we just need to think about different problems and solutions that can help people become professional YouTubers. And we're going to create a lead magnet based on those things. So our lead magnet could be 5 ways to get more leads, get more viewers on YouTube. Our lead magnet could be how to grow a successful YouTube channel in 3 months without any followers. Now, the key here with our lead magnet, and the lead magnet is going to be something that we give away in exchange for our targeted audience's name and email address. The key with the lead magnet is it has to be something that our audience values, okay? If we want to help people become YouTubers, we want to give them something that's going to help them become YouTubers. We're not going to give away something that has no value, something that's in a completely different niche. So you can see 5 ways to get more views on YouTube, how to grow a successful YouTube channel in 3 months without any followers. We could even do something like 3 secrets expert YouTubers don't want you to know. Or we could even do something like use a celebrity. we'll do 7 tips on how Mr. Beast went from 3 to 3 million subscribers fast. All right. And so in this last one, Mr. Beast, and this last one, we're actually using name recognition, and make sure that Mr. Beast actually provided these tips. Don't just make them up, but we're actually using name recognition as someone that's pretty popular in the industry. And you can actually use this to piggyback off of their success to grow your business. So the step number 2 after you pick a niche is to create a lead magnet that your target audience wants and needs. Okay. So the next step is to go out and figure out content ideas that is going to speak directly to these people. These people want to grow on YouTube. So you're going to head on over to YouTube, and we're going to look up things like how to get more views on YouTube, how to get more subscribers on YouTube, how to make more money on YouTube. And you're going to see that there are lots of people answering these questions. So if we type in how to get more leads on YouTube, or how to get more views, that's a better one for people that want to grow on YouTube. How to get more views on YouTube, like this, hit enter, you're going to see that there are thousands of subscribers. Now within this, in this video content idea, we can put together a step-by-step checklist on how to get more views. So step number 1 could be to have a clickbait title. Step number 2 could be improve audio. Step number 3 could be create better thumbnails. All right. And so you're going to provide a step-by-step guide based on this content to speak to your target audience, to show them and help them get more views on YouTube. All right. And so what you're going to do in your video is you're going to include all of your videos with a hook, story, and offer. The hook is going to be, if we're creating content on how to get more views on YouTube, you're going to create a video that says, here's a list of the 7 best ways to get more views on YouTube, or here's a step-by-step guide on how to get more views on YouTube. And then your story is just going to be you providing those step-by-step tutorials or the 7 ways. And then your offer is going to be, hey, if you want to learn how Mr. Beast went from 3 to 3 million subscribers, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/YouTube. And that's how you're going to build your mailing list. But you're going to do this for multiple videos, and we're going to talk about some of those videos in just a second. So our offer is going to be, if you want to learn how Mr. Beast went from 3 to 3 million subscribers in 6 months, click the first link in the description, just like that. And then when people click on the link, they're going to go to a landing page. And on that landing page, if I scroll down here just a little bit, let's see if I can move this. So this is the setup. First, you're going to create a lead magnet that's going to resonate with your target audience. Then you are going to do research on YouTube or wherever you're creating content to figure out the questions that people are asking. Then you are going to create videos that include a hook, story, and offer. The offer is how you're going to get people to your lead magnet. And when they click on your link, it's going to go to a landing page. So I'm just going to show this to you down here. So on the right-hand side, we have YouTube videos. So we're creating these YouTube videos like this. Then from YouTube, we are going to send them to a landing page that you create. This landing page is going to have a headline, a subheadline, and then an input box for the name and the input box for their email, and then a submit button. Actually, I'm going to draw an arrow from this squiggly line to here because our headline is going to be free video or free ebook reveals 7 tips on how Mr. Beast went from 3 to 3 million subscribers fast. The subheadline is going to say something like, learn how anyone can grow fast on YouTube. And then this is going to be for their name. This is going to be for their email. And then this is going to be a submit button. When they click submit, they're going to get added to our mailing list. And this is what we want. But the key is you have to create more than just one piece of content. Most people will create one piece of content, or they'll create content infrequently, and then they'll take a step back and say, how come no one's joining my mailing list? You need to create consistent content over a long period of time. And so your content can be, it can be everything from like a Rode Wireless 2 review, like this. It can be the best wireless microphones for YouTubers, best wireless microphones under $200. And you're basically going to go out and figure out what your target audience wants to know. So if I just did this step by step so that you can see this one more time, the first thing that we want to do, obviously, is we want to pick a niche. And I'm just going to write this out here. The first thing that we want to do is pick a niche. Pick a niche. Then we want to create a lead magnet that our target audience actually wants. Okay? And then the next step is to find content ideas or keyword research. After that, we are going to create content, create content. And within our content, we need to have a hook, story, and offer. And that offer is going to go to our landing page. We're going to have a call to action or an offer that sends people to a landing page. And then on our landing page, we're going to have, let's see, landing page. We are going to have a space for their name, a space for their email address, and we're going to have a headline and a subheadline. And then once people click submit, that's how they get added to our email list. It's really as easy as that, okay? And you just keep creating content. I'm just going to put keep creating content and sending people to the landing page. And you're going to do that all day. Not all day. You're going to do that frequently. The key is consistency. A lot of people will create one piece of content and they'll take a step back and they'll admire it for all of the great work that they've done, when in reality, you need to be creating content and then thinking about the next type of content you want to create. Now, you don't have to spend all day doing this, but when you are sitting down to work, you want to send your content off and then plan your next one, or plan the next 15 or 30 pieces of content so that you can actually make money. So the step-by-step process is real simple. Pick a niche. In this instance, we used YouTubers, people that want to grow or build a business on YouTube. We created a lead magnet that people will actually want and need. We went out and found content ideas, also called keyword research. We are going to create content in this format: hook, story, and offer. The offer is going to invite people to click the link in their description, which will take them to our landing page. On our landing page, we are going to have a headline, a subheadline, a space for their name, a space for their email, and a submit button. And once they submit, that's how they get added to our email list. Now, the thing that you have to remember too is this isn't going to happen immediately overnight. You're not going to go from 0 followers or subscribers to your mailing list to 10 million. This is going to happen in a trickle. And the more content you create, the more opportunities you give yourself to add people to your mailing list, okay? You have to realize that building a mailing list is going to take a little time, okay? It's not that instant gratification, but it's going to lead to you actually having a successful business and not chasing clients. Now that you know how to build a mailing list for affiliate marketing, click the first link in the description for a free training that shows you how to earn a full-time income with affiliate marketing without a huge following on social media, without spending a dime on paid ads, or even having a large mailing list. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.